Fine. Judas Priest.
Not the CBS Productions logo from 1965. No 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 no.
Yes 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 yes. Ha 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 ha.
Eric, you are so stupid. Why did you bring up the 1965 CBS logo to scare Pencil?
There needs to be a scary logo in every episode. That's why.
Hey Match, can you take care of this 1965 CBS logo for me?
Sure. All right, 1965 CBS logo, for scaring my best friend, take that.
Thank you, Match. You saved my life.
No problem, Pence.
Hey. What's going on here?
Hey yo, Pen. What's up, bro?
Nothing much, Eraser. Just had to go get a voice change operation.
Shaw. A voice change operation doesn't exist.
Shut up. It is too. Get it right.
Judas Priest. I can't believe everyone is telling me to shut up.